What's wrong with your phone, you said, sir?
This one right here, I had it on the dashboard, and the sun was hitting it, and it overheated, and I needed to use the phone right away, so I didn't want to wait, so I put the telephone on the air conditioner for the cold air to cool it down, and it cracked.
And this one?
That one, my wife, she actually, I think she dropped it on the phone, didn't realize it, got up the step, and she stepped on it and
And
cracked.
blacked out.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you. My son has one.
Time to fix back. One more time, laser. Your phone is ready, sir.
Wow,
It's
thank
yours.
you. Just like when I first got it.
And the other one is ready too. This is the other one.
Brand
That's
new.
yours.
Wow. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Brand new.
I can't
Wow.
believe it.
You got it.
He got you.